the team. Sino pinakatawa? Sino nagpapatawa sa inyo every day? Funniest or the joker on the team?
Tanungin nga natin yung fans. Sino sa tingin niyo ang pinaka-joker sa mga team?
Alright, show us your whiteboards, guys.
Sige, let's start over here with Choco Mucho. It is a consensus. Ang pinaka-joker sa Choco Mucho Flying Titan, si Tang Ponce! Isang lampak. Bilang pinaka-joker ng Sige, tanungin natin si Mars. Mars. Bakit si Tang yung pinaka-joker?
Sinabi tang po yung nakamadwala din.
Zoe, is that why she's your favorite? Yes. Oh, very clear, very sure answers. What about on the side of the Cool Smashers?
Dito, Franny, parang iba-iba yung sagot eh. Pero let's see. Okay, please put up your whiteboards. I see a lot of Rose, Lori. Naku, hindi ko mabilang, guys. Sino ba yung pinakamadami? Lori! MG, may sinasabi ka?
Ano ka ba? Funny ka nila.
Okay, where's Lori? Ako, mahihayin to. Hindi napitan mo to kanina eh.
Sige,
Okay.
let's ask the fans for help. Lori!
May special talent ka. Baka gusto mo sumayaw. Baka gusto mo mag-tiktok. Ay, sa ano ba talent ka? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Franny, you want to take this one?
Sure. Who is the acting parent or mother of the team? Sino ang pinaka-mother? Father,
We have a unanimous decision here on the side of the green line. Cool Smashers, may hashtag MG Travels pa. Saka ba galing? Di ba galing mo lang ng Japan? Ayan, unanimous guys. Michelle Gumabaw. Michelle, kindly stand up. Why is it so obvious na ikaw yung acting mother ng Green Line?
Kasi pinapagastos nila ako marami. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi naman. Hindi na ngayon. Hindi, pag may kailangan, I am obliged. I have to arrange everything. Happily.
Good job.
Dito naman sa Choco Mucho side, we have different answers. Basahin muna natin ang whiteboard ni Dookie. Laging galit. So, para sa Flying Titans, ang pinaka-mother ay si Maddie or si Ate Maika Ortiz. Bakit si Ate Maika ba? Ayokong basahin kayo.
Si Ate Maika kasi very caring. Very caring and wala. Napipil lang namin yung motherly vibes sa team.
Ay, mother ka. And Dookie, ba't naman si Maddie? Aside from laging galit.
Grandma kasi namin siya. Grandma yung pangalan sa team. So, yeah. Tsaka siya yung team namin. So, obligated siya magalit.
Pero okay lang naman daw kay Maddie, di ba? Okay. And Don, what's our next question?
I think the fans are gonna like this one. The next question is, put it up on the the big board. Anyway, I'm just gonna say it since it's not there yet. Who is the best singer on the team? Alright, Choco Mucho first.
Ready na ba kayo? Yung may isa pang araw. Let's follow the arrow. Kay Miss Bia.
Sample daw, Bia. Oh, sabi ni Tang, sample daw. Ay, isang linya lang. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Alright. Siyempre, di magpapatalo ang Green Line. Who is the... Ang dami. Ang hirap nito, guys. This is so hard.
Rose!
Ate Rose daw! Rose! One line lang.
Ang napaka-short and sweet naman.
Para kayo wala pumayag doon. Isang linya. Isa pa, tayo ka, Rose, tayo ka. Yung performance niya doon. Sige na, pagbigyan mo na. Patay. Oh my God.
May sasagot pa ba?
Gemma, lalaban ka ba? Okay, time out muna tayo dyan. We got a long night ahead. Let's go to the next one. Who is most likely late for everything? Sino yung laging na late?
Who is always
Sa practice, sa mga dinner, sa mga meeting. Risa Sato, unanimous.
at inamin din? Yan o.
Risa, ano ba kadalasan yung nagiging excuse mo kung bakit ka laging late?
Ang sarap matulog. Dito naman sa side ng Flying Titans, parang madaming late sa practice. Coach Dante? Coach? Sino? Ay si Mars, Isa, Ruki, Bell. Bell, bakit ka naman late palagi?
Elevator.
Sa elevator.